What a year, but luckily the holidays are here. It's my favorite season, and I'm gonna take you inside my kitchen to show you some quick little tips and tricks to bring the holiday spirit into your home. The first thing I like to do is add some decorative elements to my open shelving. So I'm going to swap out my plants for these little holiday trees. It's the season for cookies, so we'll add lots of Christmas cookie cutters to this glass jar and replace our glass of rocks found on the beach with candy canes. It's time to pull out the Cookie Class cookbook. We'll be referencing my sugar cookie recipe all month long. Coffee tastes even better out of a cute mug. You can never have enough spatulas this season. Swap out any outdated holiday sprinkles with fun new standing sugars and jimmies. It's cookie time! We're bringing the whole family in today to make my signature sugar cookie recipe. Mr. Cookies is on the dough. My no-fail recipe is simple to make with flour, baking powder, butter, sugar, eggs, and just a little bit of vanilla. He knows this recipe like the back of his hand. Hudson never misses an opportunity to roll out the dough and cut out the shapes with his favorite cookie cutters. It's time to bake the cookies. Our oven's preheated to 375 and the magic time is 7 minutes. While the cookies cool, we'll whip up a batch of buttercream icing and begin filling decorating bags with our favorite decorating tips. The icing's done, the cookies are cool. The next step is to set a beautiful table. One of my simple tricks is to bake stars in a variety of sizes and then stack them on the table like a Christmas tree. Here comes the mess. Be prepared, there'll be sprinkles all over your floor, but very happy kids. Practice makes progress in our house. Allie, you're doing a great job. Hudson, you're hired. My only rule in cookie decorating is there's no rules. Use your creativity, swap out decorating tips to create different textures, and always use lots of sprinkles. I just know these cookies are gonna spread smiles to all of the neighbors' faces. I hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at how the Keller family gets ready for Christmas. I'm curious, what's your favorite way to get ready for the holidays? Let me know in the comments below.